how slow he's going?
Yeah.
That's exactly how.
Well, I'm going the same speed he's going right now.
Really?
Yeah, I'm doing 45. That's
no, but
actually.
he's way behind. Okay, so he can't be.
He's right
45.
there.
Oh, okay.
I'm seeing him. He's right there.
All right, so it's even slower than.
Wear a fucking helmet, you idiot!
Don't do that. You're gonna be.
Fuck him. He's a fucking squid. I don't have respect for squids at all.
Okay.
I'll talk to them the way I want.
Yeah, but you were distracting him.
I don't give a fuck. That's his fucking problem.
Really? Get into an accident?
That's his problem.
No, that was
He
yours.
shouldn't be on a fucking bike.
I believe
And
him.
I handle stuff when people are next to me or whatever. So what's the difference that I can yell at him and distract him? He shouldn't be riding if he can't handle that. Distracting him, and then he could get out. Then he shouldn't be riding. He should never have been on the road in the first place. So would it make a difference if he had a helmet and I still yelled at him? No, it doesn't make a difference.
Yeah.
He's illegally on a fucking highway.
You're right. You're absolutely right. But don't make it worse by trying to.
I don't care.
Okay. Then you talk about me.
Okay, I don't care because I pay license fees, registration fees, insurance, and the payments on my motorcycle. Why does he get away with all that shit? Why? Tell me. It's okay that he's allowed on here without ramifications to what he's doing. But I do something wrong and I get nailed real fast by a fucking trooper, a highway cop. He's going to pull me over and say, well, I didn't tell you to do that. You made a decision. Which is true. If I did something wrong, I made the decision to make a wrong thing. So, he gets away with it? Hell fucking no. I don't give a fuck. I look at him the same as the other assholes that go and doing their little stunt thing and almost crashing into other cars because they're fucking doing their little biker shit and all that. I don't care about them. I care less if they lay down on the side of the road. Because if I don't do it, why should anybody else do it? I pay the state to be privileged to ride my bike.